Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are jumping into my IPSY Glam Bag. We're going to do a full unboxing review and walk through everything inside, whether it's worth the value. I have my IPSY app up, so we're here to talk about all of the items inside and what we think. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the IPSY Glam Bag for the month of July, stay tuned. All right, so as always, I do want to remind you that this is sent to me in PR, which means that they are sending me this bag so that I can review it, talk about it, give you my honest feedback, but this is in no way sponsored. I'm here to talk about whether or not I like it and I think it's worth it, and they have actually, in the little PR agreement, they say, we want you to be honest, don't just say you love it to say you love it, be authentic, which I feel like I always am, but in this case and in every case, we're going to tell you what we really think. So I do have the IPSY app up. So I have all of the items in front of me and I can give you a full review and the lowdown on everything inside. Now the first item out of the box is an immediate pass for me. I do not like it. This is the Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Bang Volumizing, I can't speak, Volumizing Mascara. This is a deluxe sample. This stuff is smudge-proof, water-resistant, and lightweight, thanks to aero particles, an ultra-light material used in space technology that won't weigh down your lashes. Coat the wand with the product, apply mascara from the roots, and wiggle the brush up and out for more. No lash will be left uncoated. The brush is slim and designed to grab onto every lash from root to tip, even the hard-to-reach inner corner lashes. Now, I have raved about the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara for years. It is one of my favorite mascaras of all time. I liked the Bad Gal Bang when I first tried it, and then after giving it some time, it's not roller lash, which for me, unfortunately, means I don't like it. That being said, I don't love a ton of volume in mascara. For me, I prefer when my lashes have more lift and curl, which is why I prefer the roller lash. I mean, favorite mascara of all time is still the Beauty For Real High Def Mascara. Because of how tiny, tiny the wand is, I find that this is the perfect mascara, even for lower lashes, to make sure you are getting every single lash and then some. This one just didn't do enough for me, so that's going to be a pass. The next item is from Goldfaden MD, and this is the Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. This is also a deluxe sample. This multitasker works way more than just to moisturize. It uses gooseberry extract, vitamin D, red tea extracts, and grapefruit oil to help brighten dark marks, end spots, refine your skin texture, defend from free radical damage, and give your skin a soft, dewy glow. Massage onto clean face, neck, and chest using gentle upward motion. Every product is derm-developed, plant-powered, and cruelty-free. Now, I've used a few items from this line, but I've never used this product, and I'm going to be honest, I like the way they work. They don't wow me to the point where they're the best skincare I've ever used. I'm still a huge fan of Murad, Caudalie. I use quite a bit of Olga Lorenzen skincare. I have the ones I really love, and I keep going back to the same products over and over and over. But this is something that I like to keep on hand in my travel kit. I have an IPSY Glam Bag that I actually keep in a little bin under my bed that has a bunch of samples, so every time I travel, I will take travel size items, work through them, see if I like them, rather than traveling with my full size items, because if I lose my luggage and I lose a full size Caudalie moisturizer, I am going to be pissed. Next up from the brand Kinship, this is the Energizing and Brightening Eye Cream. This illuminating eye cream contains clinically proven active ingredients to help brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. It's an energy drink for tired eyes. Before moisturizer, use your ring finger to gently tap the illuminating cream around the eye area, AM to PM. A pea-size amount is enough for both eyes. Now, this is one of those type of products where they do list off all of the active ingredients. Chaga mushroom, for example, holds up to 10 times its weight in water, which means it is very moisturizing. This is another one, just like the Goldfaden, where I've used products in the Kinship line. I've liked them. I haven't loved them, but they are great for in your travel bag or even just putting it in your makeup bag, because having that before you put your makeup on as a boost of hydration to the under eyes is fantastic. Or if you maybe don't wear makeup every day, Definitely one of those products that you might want to reapply throughout the day, especially if you're in a dry climate, to help boost that hydration in and around the eyes. The next product is one that I have zero interest in. This is the Prestige Cosmetics Waterproof Automatic Eyeliner, and this one is in the shade Smoky Green, retailing for $8. It is a full-size eyeliner. Perfect for creating subtle looks or a statement eye, this ultra creamy gel pencil glides on without pulling or tugging. It leaves behind an ultra pigmented smoky green that sets to a waterproof finish. Glide the eyeliner across your lower lash line or lid for a flawless, precise application. It is waterproof and smudge proof for a full day of iconic eyeliner looks. Now, I'm not even going to open it. I searched the swatches online and the color was like almost a baby puke green, not something I love. When it comes to liners like that, I tend to go for Urban Decay, Beauty for Real, KVD Vegan Beauty. These are the brand of liners that I've come to love because their colors are pigmented, but in a way where it's actually like really pretty. I'm going to swatch this one for a moment just as an example. But like that is a beautiful metallic-y green, also sets to a waterproof finish. This is the shade Jade from Beauty for Real in their eyeline, which is a 24/7 pencil. Just like this one claims to be, but in a much prettier color. And the last item is one that I have zero interest in, but once upon a time, I actually considered this one of my holy grail products. I would say if you go back on my channel, you'll see this, but this is like one of my first videos. Actually, it might be my first. Yeah, my first ever video. It's archived now, so nobody can see it but me. But it is a favorites video because my first video was all about, here's what I'm loving so far. It's an introduction to things I like, and I raved about the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. This is basically pure silicone. Yes, it will smooth over your pores, but anything you put on top of it will most likely break apart, and it will slip and it will slide. This is a deluxe sample primer. Get ready for your close-up. This lightweight primer smooths skin, minimizes the appearance of fine lines and pores, and helps your makeup go on smoothly, made with vitamin A and E that work together to protect your skin over time. Smooth a thin layer over clean, moisturized skin and let it sit for 15 seconds before continuing your makeup application. It is cruelty-free and vegan. It is all of those things, but it is also a thick layer of silicone that is lubricating your face. And I did a video where I used a monostat cream as a primer, and honestly, same thing. Not worth putting on your face, not something I recommend. If I'm going to use a primer that's a little bit thicker to smooth things over, I really like the Milk Hydro Grip Primer and the Murad Invisiblur Protective Shield. Both of these have this thick, almost silicone-y feel, but they absorb into the skin, leaving a silky smooth finish, whereas this basically lubricates your skin with silicone. Now, looking at the products in here, there's really only one that I think I would actually be excited to use. The Gold Faden's kind of in that in-between, and the other three were absolute passes for me. So just looking at this objectively, I would say this is probably not the best IPSY Glam Bag I have received, and not a win for me. When I look at whether or not it's worth it, it's would I be better off taking, the $15 or whatever it is. I mean, you get a cute bag, but for a cute bag, I don't think that this bag is worth it. Now, I have high hopes for the Glam Bag Plus because I've already cheated and there's a product in there that I love. So that box, or bag, I guess, definitely worked out a little bit better, but the base IPSY Glam Bag for me is going to be a pass. As always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!